Hello everyone, good morning. In this session of today class, I will talk about tense. This session is for class 6 and 7. So before I move towards the tense, first we look towards the definition of it. What is tense? The time is called tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. Here, tempus is the Latin word which it comes from. The kinds of three main kinds of tense are present tense, past tense, and future tense. And tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. The verb which is used in a tense shows the action, shows the time of an action, in which time or in which tense it occurs. Now we are going moving forward to present tense, the first kind of it, and where it is used, the verb that refers to the present time is called present tense. Example, I play. And now we will talk about the sub kinds of it. There are four sub kind of present tense that are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Here you have to make one note that there are four such type of each tense. Each tense means if we are talking about past tense after it, then it would be simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. And if we are talking about future tense, then it would be simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. But now we are going to learn about simple present tense. While using it in the translation, the Hindi sentence ending with ta hai, ti hai, and te hai is the identity of simple present tense and a structure for making sentences it into English. The structure which is used to translate Hindi into English is subject plus verb 1 or verb 5, means we are using the base form of verb or the verb with s or es form plus object, where we will use the base form or the verb plus es or s form. The third person singular form means the word using with he, she, it, they, he, she, it, or name take a verb plus s or es form is any of the subject with I, we, you, they uses the base form of the verb plus object. For example, वह खाती है. Here we are using she, and which is third person singular number that uses verb plus s form that becomes its. And what are the usage of simple present tense? The usage of simple present tense is to express a habitual action, which is in habit. For example, he drinks tea every morning. My watch keeps good time. Are some examples of the habitual action. Second point is to express general truth. General truth means which the actual thing that happens in our daily life. For example, the sun rises in the east. Fortune favors the brave. Are some examples of the natural truth, general truth. Third point, in exclamatory sentence beginning with here and there to express what is actually taking place in the present. For example, here comes the bus, there she goes are some example of the exclamatory sentences beginning with here and there. in vivid narrative as substitute for the simple past. For example, immediately the Sultan hurries to his capital. Here, the Sultan, which was in the past, which goes to his capital, but here the sentences are, it is showing in the simple present tense, but it is the substitute of the simple past. Next point is the to express a future event that is part of the fixed timetable of a fixed program, which it means that we have planned for something which is being going to be held in the future, next coming future. For example, the next flight is at 10 tomorrow morning. 10 tomorrow morning means we are talking about the flight which will take off in the next morning. The train leaves at 5:20. 5:20 means that coming 5:20 in the evening or in the morning. There is no definite time that is showing, but it will leave at 5:20 in the morning. Next thing, other usage of the simple present tenses are, it is used to introduce quotations. Quotations means, for example, if we are talking about, here Kavita says, a thing of beauty is a joy of forever. Here is the quotation that is under the in inverted comma. Second point, it is used instead of simple future tense in clause of time and of condition. For example, if it rains, we shall get wet. Here, first part of the sentence is simple present tense, which is in clause of time or condition. Third point, A in broadcast commentaries on sporting event to describe activity in progress where there is a stress on the succession on happening rather than on the duration. Now we will talk about present continuous tense, that will show the work that is in continuous form, that has been started but it is still in continuous form. The Hindi sentence ending with raha hai, rahi hai or rahe hai is the identification of the continuous tense, and which is in translation, we uses it in the translation. A structure subject plus ijamar plus verb का fourth form, that is ing form plus object. For example, वह खा रही है, he is eating, sorry, वह खा रहा है, that will translate he is eating, where we will use this continuous tense for an action going on at the time of speaking. While we are speaking, the same action is being going on. For example, she is singing for an action that has already been arranged to take place in the near future. For example, my uncle is arriving tomorrow. That is arranged. You may say that it is fixed that this will happen. Now, in this session, this is enough. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Stay at home.